Hey there, guys! Are you interested in making money online through content creation? Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or video editor, there are plenty of ways to monetize your skills and creativity. In this video, we'll discuss some of the most popular ways to make money online through content creation. First up, we have freelance work. Freelancing is a great way to start earning money online by offering your services to clients. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer offer a wide range of projects and opportunities for freelancers. You can offer your writing, graphic design, or video editing services and work on projects that match your skills and interests. Next, we have affiliate marketing. If you have a blog, website, or social media account, you can earn money through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting a product or service to your audience, and if they make a purchase using your affiliate link, you earn a commission. You can promote products or services that align with your content and interests. Thirdly, we have sponsored content. If you have a large following on social media or a blog, you can earn money through sponsored content. Brands will pay you to promote their products or services to your audience. You can create sponsored blog posts, social media posts, or videos that promote the brand and their products. Fourthly, we have selling digital products. If you're a writer, graphic designer, or video editor, you can sell your digital products online. You can sell ebooks, digital art, music, or videos on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. You can also create online courses and sell them on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. Lastly, we have YouTube. If you're into video editing or vlogging, YouTube is an excellent platform to make money online. You can monetize your videos through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. With the right strategy, you can grow your channel and reach a wider audience. So there you have it. These are some of the most popular ways to make money online through content creation. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or video editor, there are plenty of opportunities to monetize your skills and creativity. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful content like this.